Alright, so if we want to do number 13 out of 2.1, we want to know for which values is g of x equal to 2, and they give us g of x is 2x plus 2. So are they asking a question about an input or an output here? What do you mean output?
That's the answer you get.
Yeah,
G of x equals
what
2.
gives that output?
Good, yeah, they're asking which input gives 2 as an output, right?
Yeah.
So they're actually asking a question about an input.
Oh.
They're giving you an output, asking what's the input associated. So how do I do that? What do you do?
G of x equal to, just set it equal to the equation.
Okay, so this is what the output of g is, right? 2x plus 2. And they're saying, when is that output 2? So that's me wondering, here's the output. Let me set that equal to 2. You could even do this on a like algebra 1 substitution level, right? Like the symbols g and an x mean 2x plus 2. So I could just replace the symbols g with an x with 2x plus 2. How do you solve this?
Just algebra.
Yeah. Algebra. Maybe subtract 2 from both sides and then divide by 2. That'll get you to x is 0. Is that the only solution? Yes. How do I know that graphically?
Oh.
Good. 2x plus 2 is a line, right?
Yeah.
Really, it's a linear function and its graph is a line. But I'm asking, when does that line cross, what's this business? This is asking when is the output 2, right?
Yeah.
So that line in my head looks like go up 2, and then for every over 1, you go up 2 more, yeah? So here's my function g of x. And what's output 2 look like? Output's a x or a y?
Y.
Y. So I'm wondering,
Anywhere along that line.
right, where's the intersection between the function 2x plus 2 and this other function 2? That intersection happens once right there. Cool? That thing's a horizontal line, right?
Yes.
Supposed to be.
Shut up. Okay, so that's supposed to be a horizontal line. Do you guys see that this g of x passes the horizontal line test?
Yeah.
What's the inverse?
Like an x, kind of like an x, right?
You guys see, in solving this, I built the inverse function. Remember, that's the punchline of algebra 2. When you're solving, you're just step by step of making the inverse function. So here my inverse function is subtract 2 and then divide by 2. So I could write that down as g inverse of x, right, is,
X over 2.
yes, start with an x. First things first, I subtract.
Oh.
Okay.
So I subtract 2 and then divide by 2. You guys cool with that?